Oriki Yemoja. Omi o, omi o, omi o. Yemoja àwòyó, onílẹ̀ odò, jogún oṣó, omi rí gbá sín, owó doyin, omi lẹ́yẹ, ọ̀jẹ̀tù jẹ pẹ́pẹ́yẹ, lódò lọ́wà, iye mi, àsàn rẹ̀ gbọ́kọ̀, omi o, omi o, omi o. The translation for Oriki Yemoja. Omi o, water. Yemoja àwòyó, to see her is to be full. Onílẹ̀ odò, owner of the land under the water. Jogún oṣó, she inherits beautiful power. Omi rí gbá sín, the water agreed to enter the calabash. Owó doyin, money become honey. Omi lẹ́yẹ, water is more than pure. Ọ̀jẹ̀tù jẹ pẹ́pẹ́yẹ, she who loves guinea and dogs. Lódò lọ́wà, she's in the river. Iye mi, my mother, àsàn rẹ̀ gbọ́kọ̀, the one who control all the boats on the water. Omi o, omi o, omi o. Water, water, water.